I'm going to show you how to make these shallow fried crispy prawns or shrimp with a delicious and addictive creamy spicy bang bang sauce. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious family friendly recipes. Chris and I first tried bang bang shrimp when we were on holiday in the US, and whenever I make this it always reminds me of being in Florida with the kids. I love how food can give you all of those warm holiday feels. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by making the bang bang sauce. I've got 120 grams or half a cup of mayonnaise in my bowl, and to that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sweet chilli sauce, 1 tablespoon of sriracha chilli sauce and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it well to combine. Okay, we've mixed all that together, let's give it a little taste. My God, that is so tasty. Right, we're going to put that to one side and then we're going to start on the crispy shrimp. Now I know this dish is called bang bang shrimp, and that's what I've called it because that's what I know it as from being on holiday in the US. But here in the UK, we're using 225 grams, which is about 8 ounces of king prawns. So really, it's bang bang prawns in the UK. Pat the prawns dry using some kitchen roll. Now we're going to coat the prawns. In a bowl here, I've got 2 tablespoons of cornflour or cornstarch. And to a second bowl, I'm going to add 120 ml, which is about half a cup of buttermilk. Add an egg to the buttermilk and give it a whisk. In a third bowl, add 75 grams or 1½ cups of panko breadcrumbs and half a teaspoon of paprika plus 1/4 teaspoon each of salt, pepper, garlic salt, celery salt and white pepper, and mix it all together. So we're going to dip the prawns first in the cornflour, then in the buttermilk egg mixture and then in the seasoned panko and place on a plate. Repeat until you've coated all of the prawns. Add 120 ml or half a cup of sunflower oil to a large frying pan and heat it over a medium to high heat. Once the oil's hot, add in the prawns. And we're going to cook for about 3 minutes, turning once until golden brown. Once golden, remove the fried prawns from the pan and place on a plate lined with kitchen roll to soak up any excess fat. I'm serving this up really simply over some shredded romaine lettuce and then adding a good drizzle of that amazing bang bang sauce. Sprinkle on some chopped spring onions or scallions and a pinch of chili flakes or some freshly chopped chilli for an extra kick of heat. And there we go, fantastic spicy bang bang shrimp. And if you like this, you'll love our playlist of other amazing appetizers. See you over there. Taste test. Amazing. Takes me right back to our holiday.